What's up guys, David here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to SIM unlock the iPhone 7. It's worth noting that this method also works for the iPhone 7 Plus and pretty much any other iPhone out there. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn off Find My iPhone, which you can do by going into the settings, then iCloud, then Find My iPhone, and then flip the switch to the off position. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen and open up the dialer and dial *#06# to bring up your iPhone's IMEI number. Write this number down and make sure that you get it right, as you're gonna need it later. The next step is to get the unique unlock code that your phone needs from an unlocking service, and soon enough you'll get an email that looks something like this, telling you that your iPhone 7 has been unlocked. And from here, all you have to do is enter in an unaccepted SIM card. So basically any SIM card that isn't from the carrier your phone is locked to. So in my case, since the phone is locked to AT&T, I'll enter in a T-Mobile SIM card, and then all you have to do is connect the phone to Wi-Fi, and that's it. Your iPhone will be officially unlocked.
Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to unlock your Sprint iPhone. I'll be showing you how to do this on the iPhone 6s, but this method will work on all iPhone models including the iPhone 4s, 5, 5s, 5C, 6, 6 Plus, 6s, 6s Plus, and SE. Our Sprint iPhone unlock will unlock any Sprint iPhone regardless of any outstanding balances, financing, blacklist status, etc. What makes our Sprint iPhone unlock unique is the ability for the phone to be used both domestically in the US and internationally with any GSM carrier. What that means is that once we unlock your Sprint iPhone, you can use it with any GSM carrier in the US. For example, AT&T, T-Mobile, Metro PCS, Simple Mobile, Cricket, Straight Talk, etc. can all be used on your Sprint iPhone once we unlock it. Besides being able to use the phone in the US, you can also use it with any GSM carrier internationally as well. The unlock will not affect your warranty, it will increase the resale value of your phone, and you'll be able to use the phone with any GSM carrier of your choice. To unlock the phone, you will need your computer. It can be a Mac or PC, the latest version of iTunes, an iPhone, a non-allowed SIM card, which basically means a SIM that is not from your original carrier, and a USB cable. Now that we have all that ready, let's begin. The first thing we will need to do is get the 15-digit IMEI number, which you can get by going to the dialer of the phone and dialing *#0 6#. This will give you the 15-digit IMEI number.
So now that we have the IMEI number of the iPhone, we will go on the computer and open the internet browser to go to techmajesty.com. Once we are on this website, we will choose the iPhone 6s since that is the phone we are unlocking today. Then for the carrier option, we will choose Sprint since that is the carrier our iPhone is locked to. For the IMEI number, we will enter the 15-digit number that we got previously in the beginning of the video. Then from there, you will click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout process, you will receive an email that looks like this in the stated time frame informing you that your iPhone has been unlocked. The email will say order enclosed and will give you full instructions on how to complete the factory unlock of your iPhone. We will be choosing the first method and completing the unlock through iTunes by inserting a non-allowed SIM card.
So go ahead and grab your iPhone and insert the non-allowed SIM card into the phone. My phone is locked to Sprint, but I would like to use it on AT&T, so I'll be inserting my AT&T SIM card into the phone. Once the SIM card is inserted into the phone, grab the USB cable and connect it to the iPhone and the other end to the computer.
Now that we have the iPhone connected to the computer, open up iTunes and wait for iTunes to detect the iPhone. Once iTunes detects the iPhone, you'll get the following message saying congratulations, your iPhone has been unlocked. So that's it, the phone is now permanently factory unlocked and you can restore, upgrade or do anything else to the phone and the phone will remain unlocked.
As you can see, AT&T is listed at the top left corner of the screen, so the unlock worked perfectly. So guys, it's as simple as that to unlock your Sprint iPhone and start using it with any GSM carrier of your choice in the US or internationally. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.